Miso Wedges. Today we're making wedges with leftover miso paste and maple syrup. You can use white or yellow potatoes. I'm using white potatoes here, but I'll show you what the yellow potatoes look like at the end. Cut each potato into 6 pieces. In a bowl, add 1 cup of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, (3 to 4 tablespoons of miso paste, about 1 teaspoon basil flakes, and stir. Now add your potatoes in and try to evenly coat them with the mixture. Add some flour in and stir evenly. Lay out the potatoes in a large pan lined with parchment paper. Now we'll top off the potatoes with some black sesame seeds and cook the potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Smells great. I believe because they were crowded together, some pieces crushed up better than others, and also I think there was too much oil in. Alright, time to try these out. Yummy! This mixture would probably taste really good on salmon as a glaze. It is good! So, here are the yellow potatoes, which I think works great with the mixture too. So I think I prefer the yellow potatoes actually, just because there's a certain sweetness that matches with the glaze. So thank you for the views and subscriptions. I'm surprised people are watching my video. Actually, I'm really surprised. I'm close to 100 subscriptions now. Just wanted to thank you all for watching and subscribing to my channel. Bye for now and hope you're all doing okay.